What's up, fellas? All right, so it's the maiden voyage, and we're gonna add some accessories to this beautiful, shiny, brand spanking new LT40Y with command control. That's important because I got a seat. I know, very lazy, but it's about 12 o'clock in the morning, and it's a little early for me to be out and about, as some of you already know. One of the accessories is this. If you guys figure out what this is used for, post a comment and I'll send you one of these beautiful hats. All right, so we'll get started here. Anybody? Come on. So that tape tells us where the head has to be for travel. As long as the log is in between this tape and there's another one on that side, you can cut it. Look at that distance right there. That's your bump stop, so it can't go, the head can't fall off. Let's see. Anything I forget? That guy's got to be like that, of course. I trust you guys will tell me if I forgot something. Take the clamp off of here. Yep. She's good to go. The lube. There's a solenoid on here, so it's not dripping out all the time. Aha! Thanks for letting me know, guys. Forgot about our tension. Ultimate luxury right here. Blades off, everything's off. Oh. What did I forget, guys? Why didn't you say anything? So obviously I'm learning. I'm slow, I'm taking real light cuts. I'm just watching everything that I'm doing. I really don't want to screw it up this early. I will eventually screw something up and damage something, but not the first time. So of course the GoPro ran out of battery. I didn't realize it. Hopefully there were some good laughs at my expense running this thing for the first time. I understand hydraulics, I'm pretty good with the switches, but I'm so afraid of damaging something on here that it's slowing me down and causing me to make some mistakes. Anyway, I stickered these and they're pretty beautiful. I cut them 3/4. I cut them, they're like basically 1x8s. You know, if we were gonna buy them from Home Depot, they're 1x8. So it's, yeah. Anyway, I have a guy that likes to buy this type of material for me. He makes some beautiful artwork out of lumber. He's bought a lot, so it's like basically a constant order from him to take stuff like this. Anyway, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for making it this far. I'll see you later.